Welcome to the Solar Tilt Installation Guide. Anti-theft bracket. Keep bracket intact as one unit. Slightly lift part A from part B and slide onto rail. Lightly tighten and fit panels. Shear off nuts, part E, once all wiring is done and installation is complete. There is a 35mm and a 5mm spacer, part C, which is used for either a 30mm or 35mm panel. If you have a 30mm panel, remove the 5mm spacer, and for a 35mm panel, use both spacers combined. If the correct spacing is not used, the panel will not tighten up properly, or alternatively you may crack the panel. Warning: do not shear off nuts until installation is complete. Now to install. Step 1. Bolt down fixings. For interlocking, clamp on, no drilling required. Step 2. Install base brackets and long leg tilt brackets onto fixings. Step 3. Adjust the height of the long leg tilt brackets and adjust the tilt heads to get you desired angle. Step 4. Fit P2000 onto base and long leg brackets. Step 5. Fit anti-theft universal mid and end clamps onto rails. Step 6. Fit PV panel onto rails, making sure the panels rest on the roof. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Solar Tilt. Solar Tilt. Optimize your angle. Proudly South African.